So today video is about to the cabinet door, and I think you already have guessed what is the problem here. So this is a normal and a common issues with our kitchen cabinets. So the main reason is this hinges might get loose and this door is little bit down, so that's why it is not aligned perfectly. So there could be two main reasons. The first reason is, first of all, we have to check whether these screws are loose or no. So it is very easy, just hold the door and try to lift it. So if it is moving like this, so it means it is loose and we just need to tighten it and align it. So the same we need to do here. Yeah, this one is also loose, so we just need to tighten this one and align from this one. So it's easy, and we need only this two tools. One is this one and one is this one, so it's easy. Thing is, we have to find out the root cause. So if I will put this door here and this door here, so you can see the gap here, it's almost equal, but the gap here is not equal. From here it is more and from here it is less. So you can figure it out that this one need to be lifted little bit up, and then these two can be aligned, and then we need to tighten it. So that's all. This one is easy, just put your feet here to adjust the height, and here we just need to loose this one first, because these all are loose. So first of all, just loose like this and loose like this and loose like this. So here you can see there is some space for the adjustment, so we can lift, so it can go little bit up. So the same is here, so we just need to lift it, and I will show you that how it will go up. Did you see? So now I have lifted it up, and now my one feet is here to make it balance and adjust the height. So if you will use your feet, then it's easy to do. Otherwise you have to lift with one hand and tight with another hand, which cause a lot of issues. So now we just need to tight this one and tight this one, and the same here, tight this one and tight this one. So I hope that we have solved one issue, which is related to the height, because whenever there is a problem, find out the root cause. So the root cause was this was loose and this hinge was slighted down. So now you can see still there is a problem, but now this problem we can solve with the adjustment. So you can see here, so it is all about the observation. We just need to observe it closely, that where is the problem, and then we can solve the problem. So here now we just need to check whether this one is tight, and this is almost on the back side, and we just need to take it little bit back. So now we will see much better, but downside there is a gap, so we just need to take it little bit more back, and from this side make sure this one is tight, and then take it little bit out. So now we will see. Oh, good. And now the problem is with this one, we just need to take it little bit back, so these two will be aligned. Here we just need to move this door this side. So how we can do it? We just need to loose this one and tight this one. This one is almost tight. We just need to check whether it is tight, and take little bit out. So this is fine. Actually the problem is I am working with one hand and holding the phone with another hand, but I think you already got the idea how we can fix this kind of issues. So only little bit adjustment is required, so we can do it. So just take it little bit back and take this side little bit back. So this one is almost back side, so there is no more place left. So now this one is perfect.